Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Engineering students, our department is Information Technology. We are studying at Zeal College of Engineering, Pune. We are guided by Professor Amruta Patil ma'am. Our project title is Library Management System. The contents of our presentations are problem statement, objective, motivation, system architecture, project design, software and hardware requirements, methodology or algorithms, project results and application. Now we will move to the introduction. So, the retail industry is one of the industries that is growing in fast pace, where the number of retail businesses keep on increasing from time to time in order to meet the demand from the consumers of specified areas. There are different types of retail shops available for consumers to choose, ranging from hypermarket to mini market according to their convenience. Most of the shops can be found in residential areas, streets, or in a shopping mall. Basically, retail store sells wide range of goods and services from wholesaler or supplier to the end user. Problem statement. Inventory is one of the important departments that must be well managed in order to ensure daily businesses activities run smoothly. However, Rahmat store still does not realize the importance of inventory management, as they are not equipped with computerized system in running their businesses. As a result, the security level of all data, documents and anything that related to daily transaction and inventory is very low. A lot of documents have been kept for each goods and for each supplier, which consume a lot of time and not effective for future references. In addition, due to poor sales and inventory management, Rahmat store also face problem in identifying the quality sold for each items per day and available inventory level of the items. As current system use just acts as calculated to calculate the total amount of each customer purchases and does not any database link with it, the system does not have the capability of generating report on point of sales at the end of the day. Thus, there is no proper guideline in making reports in the store's logbook, which results in different kind of reports being prepared each time. The simple report, which is about the total sales of the day, is determined based on amount of money in the cashier deck, does not provide any input for the owner to make the right decision regarding the business operation. In case of there is a short of cash in the cashier desk or any stolen cases, the owner cannot detect it, as the current system does not have database to store the total sales of the day. Objectives. As the available existing system provides limited functions to the user, thus this project will contain enhanced and more flexible functions to the store. The objectives include: first, to provide functions to manage goods in the store more efficiently. Basic functions such as add, delete and update for data management will be made available. Filling system in managing all transactions and documents that are relevant as the aid in the stock tracking routines. Third, to automatically generate weekly report on sales and inventory activities. Fourth, to provide notification on the goods expiring date for clearance activity. Fifth, to generate receipt with proper format for customer references. Sixth, to provide point of sales for each day. Seventh, to reduce time and cost to control and manage inventory. Motivation. First is transaction motive. Transaction motive is the main objective of holding sufficient inventory that helps smooth operation of production and proper supply of goods to meet market demand. Second is precautionary motive. According to this motive, a business firm should hold optimum level of inventory to ensure safety against unforeseen and unpredictable future situations such as strike, shutdown, shortage, delay on supply, etc. Third is speculative motive. Business firm wants to take benefit of price fluctuation. If there is possibility of rise in price of raw materials or finished goods in the near future, they wish to hold large quantity of inventory and vice versa. Fourth, other motives. There are some other objectives of holding inventory such as to receive quantity discount and price discount while purchasing materials in bulky quantity, to minimize ordering cost and carrying cost, to minimize production set of cost. Next, software and hardware requirements. For a front end, we have used VB.NET. For back end, we have used SQL Server, processor Pentium 4 or above, RAM 256 MB or more, and peripherals that needed that are mouse and keyboards. Methodology or algorithm, a rapid application development, that is RAD methodology we have used here. In a developing system, author chooses to use one of rapid application development methodology categories in ensuring smooth user and developer with different IT background. RAD based methodology allows in adjusting the SDLC phases in getting some part of the system being developed quickly and into the hands of the user. In this way, the user can better understand the system, suggest revisions that bring the system closer to what is needed. As the system contains many modules bind together to work as a complete application, phase development based is the best methodology to anticipate this problem, where it breaks an overall system into a series of versions which are developed sequentially. Thus, system prototype will be developed based on the module after another. The analyze phase identify the overall system concept, then categorize the requirements into a series of versions. So here is a diagram. Here is a user, then Visual Basics and SQL. So Visual Basics, it is at a front end, and SQL is at, we have used at a back end where we have stored the databases. That is a project result. So as you can see on the screen, the login form, first we have to enter our username, password, and after successfully entering the right password and username, we are able to log in. So here at the top we can see button 1, 2, 3. Button 3 is to minimize the screen, and button 1 is to maximize the screen. So here as you can see, there are book IDs, and by entering that ID we can search for what the book we want. And also we can here update, delete and clear. So here we have set the username and password. If username and password is equal, then we are able to log in, else we can't able to do the login. So here are the tables that we have created for our project. First is system, department, book and transaction. These are some tables that we have created and that are stored into a database. These are the table, and here we are giving the first name, last name, username, password, user type. So what are the applications of a project? It is best for on-the-go sales, on shelf, best reporting, stock control inventory, best for warehouse management, inflow inventory, best full service inventory software tie-in. Conclusion. To conclude, Cell Inventory Management System is a simple desktop based application basically suitable for small organization. This application also provides a simple report on daily basis to know the daily sales and purchase details. All this action is believed to boost the sales of the store greater than the current. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.